This video will review how to make a submission on Turnitin.com. So step one, go to Turnitin.com and log in to your account. Remember that you made your account. It should be your school email and your school password. If you are having login issues, please try again. Maybe click here for forgot your password, but you did make your account. So if you're having problems, you kind of got to troubleshoot that yourself. But log in and then click on the name of our class. After that, you will find the assignment that you are trying to turn in, and you will click Submit. Make sure that when you go to submit, you are not in cut and paste. You always want to be single file upload. So just ensure that at the top here it says single file upload. Your name will be auto-filled. For your submission title, it really doesn't matter what you do. You just have to have a title. So I just like to call mine essay. You could call it the name of whatever you're trying to turn in. You could write hello, whatever you want. You just have to have something there. Then you click choose from Google Drive. On your first time submitting, you might have to click allow. So allow Turnitin.com to have access to your Google Drive. But I've already done that. So then you will find the document that you are trying to submit. Make sure you click the correct thing, whether it's an essay or whatever it is. Be careful, look at the title, and you can also view it a little bit here, so make sure you click on the correct thing you're trying to submit, and then click select. Finally, then you will click upload. Once you upload, you just have to wait for a little bit, so just be patient. Allow this circle thing to spin. Mine was quick. It may take longer, but you are not done until you click confirm. So it says, please confirm that this is the file you would like to submit. So it gives you one last chance to check to make sure that you submitted the correct thing, and then finally right here you will click confirm. Okay, you are done. It says your submission is complete. So your essay or your assignment, your submission has been received by Turnitin.com. One way to check that, if you're ever a little worried if your assignment was submitted, go back to our class, so click on the name of the class, and go to the assignment you just turned in, and you'll see if you try to click submit, you will not be allowed because it will say a submission has already been made. So that's a great way to double check to make sure you did indeed turn in your assignment. You can view it if you want to, but that is how you submit things on Turnitin.com. If you have any problems or you need help, send me an email or chat with me in class.